Hello, if you are wondering if Nintendo Switch has YouTube, then of course, as you can see, yes, there is YouTube. You can open YouTube and watch anything that there is on YouTube. You can log into your account and watch your favorite videos there. Now, of course, you need to download YouTube first, and in order to get it, we need to go to the Nintendo eShop. So let's actually go back to the home menu, and then over here we have the Nintendo eShop. Let's select our profile. Over here we want to go to search, and here we can enter YouTube. And let's search for it. And then over here we will find the YouTube. It says purchased, but of course it is for free. Don't worry about it, you can select it. And then over here on the right side you will find the purchase button. For me it says actually it will be free download button. For me it says purchase because I already claimed it, but in your case it should be free download. You can go there and easily download YouTube on Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!